ready to take your outdoor adventure to the next level. In this video, we're showcasing 3 must-have camping gadgets that will totally upgrade your next trip. From portable camping stoves, solar power banks, and multi-tools, to the latest tactical gear, water filters, and compact survival tools. These are the top-rated, trending, and best-selling gadgets every camper needs. Whether you love tent camping, hiking, or off-grid living, these game-changing tools are built for 2025. Let's gear up and explore smarter.
Finding a comfortable and supportive seating solution for relaxation is essential for enjoying outdoor and indoor activities. Introducing the slender, oversized padded Zeroravity Chair, a reclining camping lounge chair designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. With an extra-wide seat measuring 24 inches and a total width of 29 inches, this chair supports up to 400 pounds, ensuring a spacious and cozy experience for hours of relaxation. The one-piece cushion design features weather-resistant Oxford fabric filled with PP cotton, providing durability and comfort. The non-removable cushion adds convenience during transport. Weighing only 23.6 pounds, this folding chair is portable, making it ideal for the beach, park, or tailgate parties. Its full aluminum alloy locking mechanism enhances stability and support, allowing easy adjustment to your preferred recline angle, ranging from 90 to 170 degrees. The chair also includes a large cup tray for your favorite beverages and a soft footrest for added relaxation. Best of all, there's no assembly required, so you can set up and unwind in seconds. In today's world, having a private space, whether for social gatherings or personal relaxation, is essential for enjoying outdoor experiences comfortably. Introducing the Alventor PopUp Bubble Tent, a large oversized weatherproof pod designed for versatile use. This innovative tent features an automatic pop-up mechanism, allowing for quick setup without the need for assembly. Simply pop it up, secure it with sandbags or guy lines, and enjoy your bubble in your backyard, garden, or during small events. The winter tent provides cold protection while ensuring a spacious interior that comfortably accommodates 2 to 3 adults. With 4 transparent PVC windows offering a 360-degree view and excellent heat retention, you can enjoy the warmth while staying connected to your surroundings. Additionally, the top window provides ventilation and waterproof covers protect against rain and snow. Internal hooks for hanging and a large entrance door with double-sided silicone zippers enhance convenience. Weighing only 16.5 pounds, this compact bubble tent is easy to fold and store, making it an ideal solution for any outdoor adventure. Finding adequate shade during outdoor activities is essential for comfort and protection from the sun. Meet the Alventor Beach Tent Cool Hut Plus Beach Umbrella Sun Shelter, a spacious and innovative solution designed for family outings, comfortably accommodating 3 to 4 people. Whether you're at the beach, having a picnic in the park, or relaxing in your backyard, this tent provides the shade you need. Featuring a patented automatic open hub mechanic system, it allows for quick and easy setup, so you can enjoy your day without hassle. The tent offers UPF 50+ sun protection and includes 3 large roll-up mesh windows for ventilation and cooling breezes. With 3 sand pockets and 4 stakes, it ensures stability against the wind. Handy pockets are available for storing essentials like sunglasses and sunscreen. When it's time to pack up, simply roll it up into the included carry bag for convenient transport. Enjoy effortless shade and comfort while having fun in the sun with this versatile beach tent. Having a reliable cooler for outdoor activities is essential for keeping beverages and food fresh and chilled, enhancing your overall experience. Meet the Insere Soft Cooler Bag, a versatile and practical solution for those who love adventures. Featuring a spacious 45-liter capacity that accommodates over 55 cans of drinks. This cooler is designed with multiple carrying options, including a comfortable shoulder strap and reinforced handles, making it easy to transport wherever you go. With a top Velcro opening for quick access and smooth quality zippers, this bag ensures convenience during outings. Its 5-layer insulation, made with 10mm EPE foam and durable 900 denier Oxford cloth, offers 12 hours of insulation, while ensuring 100% leak-proof performance through seamless hot pressing technology. The hard-bottom construction supports up to 100 pounds, while the food-grade PEVA interior allows for easy cleaning. This cooler is collapsible, making it easy to store when not in use, and it's perfect for beach trips, camping, grocery shopping, and picnics. Enjoy your adventures with this reliable and functional cooler bag. Having a compact and reliable blanket for outdoor activities is essential for enhancing comfort and convenience while enjoying nature. Meet the Dearfamy Outdoor Pocket Blanket, designed for those who love outdoor adventures, offering a pocket-sized, lightweight, and compact solution for picnics, camping, and travel. It easily folds up for convenient storage and features a hook for effortless carrying, making it perfect for 1 to 4 people. Crafted with a double-sided waterproof coating, this blanket effectively repels water and sand, ensuring a clean and comfortable experience on damp ground. With a gentle shake, sand easily falls off, making cleanup a breeze. The windproof design includes triangular sandbags on all edges to keep the blanket stable and secure, preventing it from blowing away. Made from 400T nylon, this blanket is durable, tear-resistant, and recyclable, offering an eco-friendly choice without any unpleasant odors. Its stylish combination of orange and black, based on the golden ratio design, makes it suitable for outdoor activities and various indoor fitness scenarios. Enjoy your time outdoors with this versatile and practical pocket blanket.